Using and setting keyboard shortcuts. Premiere Pro makes extensive use of keyboard shortcuts. Once you know them, these are usually faster and easier than clicking. Several keyboard shortcuts are shared universally by nonlinear editing systems. The spacebar, for example, starts and stops playback. Some standard keyboard shortcuts come from celluloid film editing traditions. The I and O keys, for example, are used to set in and out points for footage and sequences. These special marks indicate the start and end of a desired section and were originally drawn on celluloid directly. Many shortcuts are available, but not all are assigned a key by default. This allows flexibility when setting up your editing system. Choose Premiere Pro keyboard shortcuts on Mac or Edit keyboard shortcuts on Windows. It can be a little daunting to see the number of keyboard shortcuts available, but by the end of this book, you will recognize most of the options displayed here. Some keyboard shortcuts are specific to individual panels. You can use the Commands menu at the top of the dialog box to choose the name of a panel to create or edit shortcuts for that panel. Specialized keyboards are available with color-coded keys that have shortcuts printed on them. These make it easier to remember commonly used shortcuts. When you open the keyboard shortcuts settings, the search box is automatically active to help you find a particular shortcut. Click outside of the search box to deselect it, and try pressing Command on Mac or Control on Windows. The keyboard shortcut display updates to show the result of combining the modifier key with the character keys. Notice there are many keys without shortcuts assigned when you use a modifier key. These are available for you to assign your own shortcuts. Now, try combinations of modifier keys, including Shift-Option on Mac or Shift-Alt on Windows. You can set keyboard shortcuts with any combination of modifier keys. If you press a character key or character and modifier key combination, that particular shortcut information is displayed. The list at the bottom left of the keyboard shortcuts dialog box includes every option you can assign to a key. It's a long list, so use the search box at the top to help you find the option you want. Having found an option you would like to assign to a key, drag it from the list onto the key you would like to use in the upper part of the dialog box. If you hold modifier keys while performing this operation, they'll be included in the shortcut. You can also drag a key from the virtual keyboard onto an option. To remove a shortcut, click the key and choose Clear at the lower right corner. For now, click Cancel.